India today recorded the biggest single-day spike of 5,242 new COVID-19 cases, with the total cases rising to 96,169 and the death toll crossing to 3,000 mark with 3,029 fatalities. A total of 48 new COVID-19 cases have been detected in Odisha. The total positive cases now climbed to 876 in the state. A total of 140 positive cases have been reported in Rajasthan today, along with 2 more deaths. The total number of positive cases in the state has now risen to 5,342, including 133 deaths and 2,666 discharged. 2 more passengers on Mumbai-Goa train meanwhile tested positive for COVID-19 during the TrueNAT testing. A total of 9 passengers on this train have tested positive so far, and this now takes the number of active cases in Goa to 31. As Cyclone Amphan approaches the Indian coast, its effect could be seen in West Bengal, Odisha and the southern regions early on Monday. A yellow alert has been issued in Karnataka's Mangalore city after heavy rains lashed the city, inundating some of its areas. In Telangana, the storm pushed back a bus, forcing it to hit a tree after being dragged a few meters. According to officials, heavy rains were witnessed in parts of coastal Karnataka, Malanad and the south interior region. The Met Department has predicted rainfall for 3 more days. The IMD has also warned that the cyclone is set to intensify into an extremely severe storm in the few hours. Punjab today became the first state to come out with its guidelines for phase 4 of the lockdown, which was extended by the centre till May 31st yesterday. Shops in the state can now open from 7 am to 6 pm in the evening. The government has also allowed intrastate transport to begin, which means taxis and autos will restart with conditions. Motorcycles can also be used conditionally. The centre on Sunday extended the nationwide lockdown for 2 more weeks to contain the spread of COVID-19 and has issued a fresh set of guidelines to be followed for the next phase between May 18th and May 31. The new phase comes with a considerable set of relaxations outside containment zones, as the Ministry of Home Affairs has permitted barber shops, salons, shopping complexes to open and allowed interstate movement of passenger cars and buses. The Delhi government on Sunday directed that no sample would be drawn for coronavirus test from a person after his death. However, it could be disposed as coronavirus case if doctors are satisfied by clinical examination that coronavirus infection caused the death, as per a new standard operating procedure issued for the disposal of bodies. In its order, the Health Department suspended an earlier order on the disposal of bodies of COVID-19 affected persons issued on April 3. No sample for COVID-19 test will be taken from the dead body. However, if doctors are satisfied from the clinical examination that the cause of the death may be COVID-19 infection, the body may be released as a suspect COVID-19 infected body, the order, which was signed by Padmini Singla, who is Secretary of Health and Family Welfare, said. 62 countries including India have backed a joint effort by Australia and European Union calling for an independent inquiry into the WHO's response to COVID-19 pandemic, according to a draft resolution proposed for 73rd World Health Assembly meeting beginning today. The draft calls for impartial, independent and comprehensive probe into the coronavirus crisis, besides an inquiry into the actions of the World Health Organization and their timelines pertaining to the COVID-19 pandemic. Last month, Australia was the first country to call for an independent inquiry into how the coronavirus outbreak started.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.